Alright folks, I am going to open my Spartacus storefront, Power Tools SPA ENUSD. This is our storefront. Allow cookies. As mentioned earlier in our article, we are using Power Tools SPA storefront. This is what it looks like. I can come in and search for the product. My drills will show up with Spartacus. Let me show you something interesting. When I go down into our development tools, you can see that the services, what I'm trying to show you is the calls that goes out to the backend of service. So my server is running on the local host, OCC, version 2 of the OCC services. This is the name of our storefront that we earlier updated in our context, as well as in the URL right here, ENUSD. So that's how it's pulling all this information from the backend. I'll also show you a couple other things while we are here. In the document, I mentioned that out of the box since 2005, all the user accounts are disabled. So you have to go into the back office, you got to find these users and enable their accounts. If you need any help with that, shoot out your comment in the comment section. This is our user, Mark Rivers, who is out of the box users. That's the password. I can see my account. I can see this person's orders. I can see personal details and save cards and orders as well. I'm going to log out. I'm going to log in. This customer that we had earlier, Mark Rivers, is a customer, a B2B customer, which is a purchaser in B2B world. I'm going to log in as an administrator for Rustic Hardware, which is a sample organization that comes with B2B storefront Power Tools. And I log in. When I log in with Linda, who is an administrator for her organization, I see an option for my company where I can come in. I can see my units, users, cost centers, and all things. So this is all working on Spartacus. Everything is pulled from the backend through OCC services. For Spartacus 3.0 B2B Accelerator, there are a lot of enhancements in OCC services. So some of these services are specifically created and designed for B2B Accelerator. Order placement, for example, does not use the B2C order placement services. Those are exclusively for created for B2B storefront. So that's why I mentioned that if you have a B2B organization libraries installed, some of your B2C functionality is not going to work, which is fine. We can create as many storefronts we want and create context for them and have them run separately from each other. Angular is pretty scalable and easy in terms of changing your ports and other stuff, so you can have multiple storefronts running in your local. What I'm going to do is go inside the users, and over here when I go to the second page, I'll see Mark Rivers right here, who is our users. I can also add new users here. So there's a lot of B2B capabilities working on your Spartacus storefront. I can change my password if I want, and all sorts of different things. I can save card. I can view my save cards, or I can go back to my company and create user groups, budgets, permissions, and purchase limits. All right, guys, that's all. If you have any questions, let me know.